Hey, Mary here from Life in the RV. We are here at Charlie's Camp, a Harvest Host Boondockers Welcome spot, and it's absolutely gorgeous here. There's a little lake setting pond with a fountain in it. We didn't go down there. It was a little chilly last night. He does have a hookup for $15 for 50 amp, and I believe it's $10 for 30 amp. We did opt for it because it was cold last night, so we wanted to run the heat pump. It's right here. There's a little drop box for you to put your money in. He has a dog bone in case you need to switch from 50 to 30. We are kind of taking up the driveway. He does have enough room to turn around. We don't have a good turning radius though on our Super C, so but we made it, so we didn't have to unhook. There's plenty of room. I believe he has 2 spots, and he does have a sewer hose here, but I'm not sure where the sewer hookup is. We did not need the sewer hookup, so we didn't have to use that. But as you can see, got a little patio back here on his barn. There's the lake, pond, whatever you want to call it. There's a fire pit, but I'm not sure if that's for Harvest Host users to use. Charlie was not here. I think Charlie's out hunting, so we didn't. He also has a water hookup here, but we didn't need that. I don't know if that is for Harvest Host users too or not, but there's plenty of room. The driveway's pretty long. The driveway, if you watch your map, you will find the driveway. He does have a Harvest Host sign there, but it is a little bit in, so we went slow just so we didn't miss the driveway. There's the driveway, nice long driveway. And then as you can see, how I said we're taking up the driveway only because we couldn't swing around to hook up unless we stayed this way. So we have plenty of electric cord to do that. So that's it. Charlie's Camp, Harvest Host, Boondockers Welcome, I believe. But it's beautiful here. It was a quiet night. We got a good night's rest, and we're ready to head out to our next stop. We're heading to, where are we heading to? Mississippi. All right, we'll talk to you later. Mary from Life in the RV.